Hi, good evening, everyone. Today again I am back with two important topics. In that, the first you can see important diseases and their drug of choice, and the second bacterial diseases and affected organs. And let's see the first topic, important diseases and their drug of choice. And here, for the fever, the drug of choice is paracetamol, and for the anaphylactic shock, the drug of choice is adrenaline, and for myocardial infarction, the drug of choice is morphine. And hint you can see here, anaphylactic shock starts with A, and not only the drug also start with A. Okay, just you can remember this hint. And myocardial infarction start with same, and morphine also start with morphine. And next, drug of choice for epilepsy in pregnancy, phenobarbital, and for acute gout, indomethacin. For gastritis or gastroesophageal reflux disease or Ellison's disease, omeprazole. And drug of choice for rheumatoid arthritis, methotrexate. And prophylaxis of myocardial infarction, aspirin. And for the breast cancer, tamoxifen citrate. And malaria in pregnancy, chloroquine. And for the increased ICP, intracranial pressure, mannitol 20%. And for preeclampsia or gestational hypertension, methyl-dopa. And for the eclampsia, magnesium sulfate. For the typhoid, ceftriaxone. And for heart failure, digoxin. And for angina, nitroglycerin. For cardiogenic shock, dopamine. And for chemotherapy induced vomiting, the drug of choice is ondansetron. And for cholera, tetracycline. For bedwetting, enuresis, we can also call enuresis, imipramine. For mania, lithium carbonate. For phobia or depression, anorexia nervosa, bulimia nervosa, or obsessive compulsive disorder, fluoxetine. And for alcohol withdrawal syndrome, chlordiazepoxide. And for kala-azar, amphotericin B. And for swine flu, oseltamivir. And second topic, bacterial diseases and affected organs. And here you can see tuberculosis, the bacterial disease affect the lungs. And typhoid, it affects the intestinal tract or bloodstream. And cholera affects the small intestine. And plague affects the lung and lymph node. Leprosy affects the nervous system and skin. And pneumonia affects the lung. Diphtheria affects throat and respiratory tract. And syphilis affects the multiple organs. And tetanus affects the nervous system. Whooping cough affects the respiratory system. And gonorrhea affects the reproductive system. Meningitis affects the brain and spinal cord. And trachoma affects the eye. Thank you.